The next presenter is Dr. Conrado Augustus de Melo.
Well, good morning, everybody. I have to confess I'm new in this area of product service systems, but I saw this terminology where we have sustainable product service systems, and I'm interested recently to apply these methods in the energy sector. Well, I'm a physicist and I'm PhD in energy planning, and my areas of research are energy planning and policy, focused on renewable energy diffusion and energy efficiency. I will develop a little bit more this soon. Well, I'm from UNICAMP, University of Campinas. Campinas is a city 100 kilometers from here, and is one of the best universities in Latin America. And I'm located at the Faculty of Mechanical Engineering, where we have the graduate program in energy systems planning. And the main areas of research are analysis of energy supply and demand, energy society and environment, and energy policy. Some publications. Here, as you can see, I have focused my work on public policy mechanisms to promote, to foster the development, to foster the energy efficiency and distributed renewable energy. And basically I have designed policy mechanisms and evaluated these mechanisms in long term to help to support the decision making here in Brazil related to the energy plan, the national energy plan. Well, I am a postdoc researcher at UNICAMP, and my teaching areas up to now was heat transfer, engineering economics, and energy end use. And now I'm planning to graduate students a discipline regarding policy, energy policy in the next semester. Some projects. I have worked both with as a consultant and as a researcher. And here, as a researcher, I have I gave here two examples of projects where I'm concerned to help policymakers in the case of energy efficiency and how to designing to mechanisms to promote energy efficiency in the building sectors. And now I'm concerned in how to promote the diffusion of solar photovoltaic distributed generation. And this new research brings me to try to understand, to study this sustainable and product service systems, because it is related to design new business models. Right, and so how can I see this, the contribution of this new approach in the energy sector? I have worked as a consultant for utilities, electricity utilities, and we have here in Brazil utilities should to invest 0.5% of their net revenues in energy efficiency programs. But these kind of programs are based on to replace old equipments such as refrigerators, lamps, but I think there is a potential to improve this kind of program, including adding services in this kind of program. And I think here is the main challenge. It's possible to use these product service systems to increase the affordability of electricity service in low-income communities. Recently here in Brazil, in the year 2013, we implemented a new regulation that allow the consumers to connect to the grid, but it is still is still a space to improve this regulation, because in this case we can't do business. The consumers are just allowed to exchange the electricity generation with the company. So, but we have some examples of this kind of methodology in the energy sector, such as pay-per-use systems, home solar photovoltaic, and combinations of products and services, and as solar energy and electro device as an all-inclusive package. That there is a case here in Brazil where firm planned a kind of leasing structure to provide this kind of services, but it is still not diffused. And so, as I mentioned before, I work as a consultant for electricity utilities, and we have this program. They are obliged to invest in energy efficiency programs, mainly in low-income households, but it's based on products, right? To replace old refrigerators and other programs, but and other devices. But also, I think there is opportunities to improve this kind of program by using this, trying to offer to the customers new services of energy. Well, that's it. Thank you.